Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many people ponder. Why aren't you making $10,000 per month? For some, it feels like a distant dream, while others may wonder, what's holding them back? In this video, we'll explore 5 common financial decisions that can keep the average person from reaching their income goals. So, let's jump right in. First and foremost, one of the biggest reasons people struggle to make significant money is the lack of a clear financial plan. Without defined goals, it's challenging to create a roadmap to success. Imagine someone who wants to earn 10K a month but hasn't outlined how to get there. They may float through various jobs, chase every side hustle, or invest without a strategy. A solid financial plan includes setting specific goals, whether it's having a certain amount, investing in a business, or enhancing skills for promotion. Next, let's talk about lifestyle inflation. As income increases, many people feel the urge to upgrade their lifestyle. New cars, fancy dinners, and luxury vacations. While it's great to enjoy the fruits of one's labor, overspending can quickly eat into potential savings or investments. When individuals prioritize immediate gratification over long-term wealth building, they often find themselves trapped in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. A wise approach is to maintain a modest lifestyle, even as income grows. This allows for more saving and investments, paving the way toward that 10K monthly goal. The third financial decision holding many people back is ignoring passive income opportunities. Relying solely on a traditional job can be limiting. Instead, exploring avenues like rental properties, defined stocks, or online businesses can create additional income streams. Many people are unaware of how much they can earn through passive income. For example, investing in a rental property may require initial effort, but it can yield consistent monthly income with little ongoing work. Coming in at number 4 is neglecting skill development. In today's rapidly changing job market, individuals who stop learning can easily fall behind. The average person may feel comfortable in their current role, but without continuous education and skill enhancement, they risk stagnation. Investing in courses, attending workshops, or even seeking mentorship can significantly increase earning potential. By actively seeking new skills, you can position yourself for promotion or high-paying roles. Lastly, let's discuss the fear of taking calculated risks. Many individuals avoid stepping outside their comfort zone, fearing failure or financial loss. However, calculated risks can lead to significant rewards. For example, starting a side business or investing in a promising startup can seem daunting, but these decisions can also yield high returns. It's essential to differentiate between reckless risks and calculated ones. Going through research, analyzing potential outcomes, and being prepared for setbacks are the key. In summary, these are several common financial decisions that may be holding you back from making $10,000 per month. From lacking a clear financial plan to overspending, ignoring passive income, neglecting skill development, and fearing calculated risks, these choices can significantly impact one's financial journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on achieving financial success. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay focused and keep striving for your financial goals.